Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Wi-Fi QR codes on laptop. So first up, what you need to do is take a photo of the QR code that you wish to use on your laptop. Once you have the QR code, email this to yourself and then access it through your computer or laptop. Now, if you have no internet connection, of course, when you're trying to connect to a QR code and you can't use it yet on your laptop, just use your phone as a mobile hotspot, connect your laptop, and then download the emailed photo of the QR code. And then we're going to use that to access a specific QR reader as well so that we can use a coffee shop or whichever public Wi Fi it is that you're trying to access. So to do that, once you save the QR code or the QR photo, open the QR reader online website. So this is also after you've connected your laptop to your mobile hotspot. And then from here, just access this QR code scanner online. And then right over here on the select QR image, we're just going to upload the Wi-Fi QR code that we took or the photo that we took of this QR code. Open it. And then as you can see, the scan data will show these results. Now the S is for the Wi-Fi network and the P is for the password. So you can just copy this and then paste it when you're trying to connect to the Wi-Fi network. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next time.